To add a Fiat wallet in the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and clicking on the account option at the bottom of the screen. From there, locate the Fiat wallet or cash option, which may be labeled differently depending on your country. Regardless of the label, both options serve the same purpose. So click on whichever one is available to you. You will then be presented with a screen where you must click the Accept All button, followed by checking a box and accepting again. Next, you will be prompted to submit some information, which you can do by clicking Submit Now. The next step involves verifying your identity by providing your social security number or personal details. After completing this step, your verification will be pending, and you will need to wait until it is confirmed. Once your identity has been verified, you can proceed to deposit money into your Fiat wallet and begin purchasing cryptocurrency.